Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Alright, let's get into it. So Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. I think this is a great way to start off today's video. We need a bit of perspective. We've been zoomed in on the particular movements and the price action of Bitcoin. It's been a bit disappointing. It's been rejected repeatedly at our band of resistance at around 48.9, at around 49K, let's say. But if you zoom out just a bit, and here we're on the daily time frame, you'll see that we are in a clear uptrend. 1. 2. We've never lost the 21 EMA. If you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know that the 21 daily moving average, or the exponential moving average, is a clear indicator, a consistent indicator for uptrends in bull runs, right? And so you see that ever since our reversal out of this Wyckoff accumulation pattern in late July, we've bounced off the 21 EMA and we've held it. We've bounced off it. We bounced off it once again, 18th of August. We bounced off it once again just a few days ago on the 26th. And just yesterday on the 30th, we bounced off it. And we're seeing another reversal right off of the 21 EMA. Yesterday, this daily candle was right sitting on this 21 EMA. And historically, these are great opportunities for longs, right? So right when you're on the 21 EMA, you're on support. And when you long or when you buy, you want to buy on support, not at resistance. So if history repeats, if the trend continues, we can say with some degree of confidence that Bitcoin is going to show some appreciation for a good number of days, and we finally may get our target of 57K before another kind of correction. All right, let's zoom in to see what happened yesterday. Okay, so we're on the 4-hourly time frame. Yesterday, this band of resistance, which our purple rectangle is showing us, has been again really, really difficult level for Bitcoin. So we got rejected once again. Yesterday we said that we were going to test it, and before we were getting rejected at the top of the band. Yesterday we got rejected even on the bottom. So that bottom of the band proved to be too much. We were pretty much out of steam after having tested this resistance 1, 2, 3 times over. This was the 4th time we got rejected. We made a reversal at around 46.6, which I did point out was one of the next level of support, actually, because right, the first level of support I said was at 47.7, right? And then I said, then we also have support at 47.6. All right, so, or sorry, 46.7, which is where we pretty much found support. We didn't even go down to the 55 exponential moving average, which this green line is. So that shows you, 1, we're still in an upward trend. 2, we are still bullish. All right, we're being technical here. We're trying to not be as subjective and say, oh, well, Bitcoin's not been moving as fast as I wanted to and has been moving as high as I wanted to. We're still technically in an uptrend. That's important. Why? When you're doing trades, when you're buying, you want to buy with the trend. The trend is your friend until the end. Then you find a new friend. And if you're buying assets in this bull market, in this cryptocurrency market, with the exception or with the expectation that they'll appreciate in value, you're still good. That's why we track the price of Bitcoin. That's why we look at these trends. Because if Bitcoin is in a downtrend, it doesn't matter what you're buying. Chances are 95, 98% of things will be going down along with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's in an uptrend. Buy things if you want them to go up, and they may very well do so. Right now, layer 1 protocols are going up. So layer 1 blockchains, Atom, Cosmos, Polkadot, layer 1, layer 0. You also have you have Solana still going up. Those kinds of projects are appreciating greatly. Obviously, there's a lot more, but those are the main. That's the main narrative right now. So Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. We found support, and once again, we're looking to try this band of resistance. We are making higher lows here, and we have been for almost the past 12 hours. So we'll see what happens, but we are still in an uptrend, and we do have a lot of support to the downside. So this is, if remember, zooming out on the daily, this is technically speaking, probabilistically speaking, a good time to long, a good time to get in. It is looking like a low because we are on the 21 daily exponential moving average. All right, that's Bitcoin. Let's have a look at some other things in the charts. Since everything seems to be green, that's not like microcap, and some microcaps are even green, but let's have a look at Polkadot. This is a popular project. Let's zoom back out on the daily. Okay, so Polkadot is about to go, and this inverse head and shoulders has been forming for quite some time, right? Since May. This was the bottom of our Wyckoff accumulation. This line is showing where our support is, and you see again, once again, the 21 exponential moving average is basically following this line of support. So how high can we expect Polkadot to go? Simply put, this is the neckline. We are at it. We're literally at the neckline. You take a line from the neckline down, project it from the point of breakout. It's confluent with this previous top. Looks like we're going to $50, right? So Polkadot is likely to appreciate in value from now by about 39%. All right, now let's also look at Atom. Same deal here. We've already kind of traced this one out, but let's erase that. Here you're looking at more of a cup and handle, pattern, unless this comes up and then goes back down, then you'll have your inverse head and shoulders with this neckline. But from here, it's a cup and handle pattern. And again, you want to take the neckline. If you can't see it, you make it. Here's your neckline. You take another line from the bottom of the cup to the top, or from the top of the neckline to the bottom of the cup. You superimpose it at the site of breakout, and you have about 41.50. So Atom Cosmos, another layer 1, can be expected to appreciate about 40% from here. So that's Bitcoin, that's Polkadot, that's Atom Cosmos. I hope this was helpful. Hope it was useful. If it was, please like, subscribe, share the video when appropriate, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.